My name's Gerallt. I'm a food technologist at Food Centre Wales. In school I did chemistry, physics and maths, then I went to university to study chemistry. I did a lot of quality control work in factories, then I decided to apply for this job to help different food companies out, and I thought it'd be interesting. Every day is different. I could be in the factory here doing MPD work such as ice cream, cheese or yogurt, or I could be off-site helping companies out with their paperwork such as salsa or BRC and labelling and stuff like that. The best thing about the job is that every day is different, so you could be working in different places, doing different things each day. If you want to be a food technologist, my advice would be to either study food technology or a science in university. There are over 500 food companies in Wales producing food. My favourite food is ice cream.